Where'd it go? Here's to the left, I think there's that wheel. Did you pick that? Okay. Hey, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. This is Brandon with rcFoamFighters. I just wanted to say, 2009 was a really good year in my opinion. I've met so many people online with so many different interesting ideas and different techniques and stuff that now that we're finally at this point where we're now assembling a team of people that just have so many great ideas that we can just bounce off of each other and learn so much, that 2010 is going to be a really good year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed making it. It was just Christmas Day, having fun with some RC stuff. There wasn't any scratch building, and I apologize. It's just, this is stuff that I tinker with in between builds, and right now I'm in the middle of two builds that are really intensive and time consuming, and but I hope the end result is really interesting for you guys to look at and maybe learn some stuff from, messing with some experimental stuff regarding materials and way things are done. So hopefully that'll come out good, and I'll have that out for you soon. I want to say a special thanks to Paul and Frank. I bug you guys so much with emails and phone calls and messages and things like that. You guys are so quick to respond, and I know how swamped you are, but you still make the time and you do it as quickly as you possibly can. So I want to say thanks. I also want to say thanks to Mitch and Barb over at RC Flyers. Anybody who doesn't know them, you need to go over to the RC Flyers website and check them out. Those two have been so great and have taught me so much. You guys have been there for me when I was gone. I came back and you guys were there waiting for me. And I really appreciate that. So I know 2009 was a good year. 2010 is going to be even better. So Happy New Year to everybody.